everyone, it's Coach Julio. Now I'm going to show you a variation of a squat that's functional. A lot of times certain individuals, professionals will say, I don't want you to squat below 90 degrees with your knees. Now that's ironic because there's one chair that is below 90 degrees and you can find it in the restroom. So it is good, and people are laughing, call it a potty squat. Better yet, let's call it a salado squat. So it is to your advantage to start to incorporate a squat that goes slightly below 90. So like a chair squat, usually the chair is about 18 inches, give or take. So I sit and I stand as I showed earlier, and then I have my guy come this way so you can see the different angles. As I sit, I push my hips back, and then I come back up. So knowing that in the restrooms, we're going to sit onto something that's below that height, I suggest that we start to lower it. And I will show you. You would choose an angle slightly lower, and it's called progressive training. So here I go, slightly lower, 3, 2, 1, and then I'm up. Practicing this squat is not only functional, but it will also continuously strengthen your quads, your knees, and it's a great accessory exercise to what you're doing. That's it.